one of the lies by the Nigerian government from the Saudi Africa summit is that Saudi Arabia has promised to put substantial forex before Nigeria to help Nigeria's forex market, and that Saudi promised to revamp Nigeria's refineries. However, Saudi Arabia has not confirmed this story. And if the treatment of Saudi Arabia, this treatment that Saudi Arabia meted out to APs, where Saudi cancelled all the visas given to AP's passengers on arrival at Jeddah, if it is anything to go by, it doesn't show that Saudi Arabia cares about Nigeria. So that story, ab initio, is not true, that Saudi want to